You're using Miro and have often a lot of sticky notes. And then when someone wants to present his or her sticky notes, and then they start asking themselves, which one were mine? I created several. The good thing is Miro solved this problem. Now you can select post-its and show the author, so the logged in name of the person. Let's look how it works. We are now in Miro, we have our sticky notes, and what you can do now is select them, and here in the menu you have now the option Show Author. You click on it and you can now easily see this one was created from me, this from a visitor, this one from me, and so on. And now you can easily say, okay, next thing we should do is this, and then this. Who is next? And then the other person can say, okay, I was there as a visitor, but I have these green ones. So this was mine, and so on. So it makes it really easy to find out who created the sticky note. And that's it. Nothing easier than that. Just selecting, clicking, and then you see it. That the people are shown as visitor is normal. You cannot avoid it. If they have no credentials and just joined as a guest, they are shown as visitor. That's in the nature. It's anonymously. So you can only recommend the people, please register, create an account that I can see who created it, that we can easier find the post-its, easy separate it. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any.